Good morning guys, today is October 30th, Friday, and I am headed to Tondavli with my Benelli group friends. So they are from Benelli Owners Club, so थोड़ा आगे चल के उनको मिलते हैं. तो बने रहिएगा इस चैनल पे, इस वीडियो पे, and make sure if you're watching this on my channel for the first time, make sure you have subscribed and also hit the bell icon. So time is 6:17 and मुझे पहुंचना है अभी मीटिंग पॉइंट पे, which is गोल्ड जिम. 6 बजे पहुंचना था. As almost every YouTuber says, I'm also saying the same thing, मैं लेट हो चुका हूँ. Nice fog all the way, and here I'm at Gold's Gym. That's Hemant, Abhishek 2, Manoj, and who's this? New Alpine jacket, Sanjay. So we just had our breakfast at Bhairavnath, and now we're headed to Sai International Kolhapur as next stop. We've taken the Gagan Bawda road from Kolhapur, and we're like around still 3.5-4 hours away. Stopped for fuel over here. मेरी तो टैंक फुल है अभी भी, हाफ फुल है. What a beautiful view. So we stopped for a sightseeing out here. Hemant is having fun with all the truckers. Truckers are finding it difficult to turn, and he is making fun, almost making fun of them. So it's a nice view out there, nice road, and look at this valley. Shit. That was scary. Lost my way, but I found this beautiful river bed. मेरे दोस्त लोग आगे निकल गए हैं, and I landed up here. That's a beautiful place. We are rolling down a hill. Almost reached, just 1 or 2 kilometers left. It was a rough, tough day because it's way too humid here, and post afternoon it was way too hot. अब नीचे जाके देखते हैं. यहाँ पे थोड़ा it is bit cold now. It's not so hot or warm. Humid है कि नहीं अभी नीचे रुकने के बाद पता चलेगा. So let's reach the resort. That's the entry to our resort. To the left is the sea का एक छोटा सा पैच है लेफ्ट में. And look at this beautiful jungle. Most places the roads were bad, and I've been riding like this almost say 10% of the time. It doesn't. यही है. किधर? उधर नहीं जाएगी. मेरे में दगड़ा इनबिल्ट है.
अकेल रहे उसकी गाड़ी जरा मागे की तू पण मागे की. हां एक मिनिट आराम से वो ना काढली करना पडत ना. माझी तिकडे नाही.
अरे अडकली माझी.
थांब ना 2 मिनिट.
Here is the place. This is by the beach side. This is day 2 actually. And here's our cottage. It's like for a big room, for a big hall for 6 people to sleep. few of our boys are sleeping, few of them are enjoying the seaside. So I'll end the vlog here for day 1, and जो day 2 पे करेंगे वो day 2 में डालता हूँ सेपरेट vlog. बने रहिएगा चैनल पे. Thanks for watching. This is Dipen from Pune.